Welcome guys. In this video I'm going to show you how you can scan and print on Epson L3250 printer. So basically what you'll need to do is just load some paper right here. As you can see, make sure these tabs right here is fitted by A4 or your paper size. Okay, now what you'll need to do is just open this panel right here and just put your page or the thing that you want to scan. Okay, so I will put like that. Make sure you'll see the arrow, so make sure your paper is like placed the paper top by the arrow. Okay, now what we need to do is basically select a mode. So right here you'll see the grayed out mode, so that means it will print black and white, and right here it is colored. So I will choose colored right now. Okay, I will click it and the printer will start scanning, as you can see, and it will start printing. So let's wait for the result. And as you can see, we still got a good result. So that's how you can scan and print on Epson printer. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.